live and talk smack about Facebook because this is one of the main things that I discussed in my book called The Top 8 Mistakes That Business Owners Make That Lead to Financial Ruin. Let's see. Okay, that's better. So I've been working on creating a video for you all called, I hope that's not audible on my video. I really do. I've been working on creating a video about selling on Facebook Marketplace. But today I'm going to bring it to you live. So going back to my book that I was mentioning, The Top 8 Mistakes That Business Owners Make That Lead to Financial Ruin. In that book, I talk about the importance of having your own email list. You need to utilize a platform such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, to hold your email customers in one place. That way, if your Facebook is down, your Instagram is down, you don't have to rely on social media to be able to communicate with your followers or your customers. So going back to what we're talking about today we'll be talking about listing on Facebook Marketplace. This is one of the best ways that I've ever seen to generate income fast. You can generate $500 fast minimum just by utilizing this simple method. And first things first, you're going to go over to Facebook, you're going to click on Marketplace, and you're going to click on List. So you'll make a listing for a product that you could list a myriad of things. It could be something that you have at home, something that you no longer use. Let's just say a desk chair or a desk, an old iPad, or it can be something that you are drop shipping. And drop shipping is when you list a product and picture of something, you list the description, and you don't have that product on hand. You wait until somebody orders it from you, and then you turn around and you ship that product from the company that the listing was from to the customer. So other people would probably call this retail arbitrage, but whatever you want to call it, we don't have the product on hand, and this is a great way to make money when you don't have a lot of money to spend and like order inventory in bulk. So once you go over to Facebook and click on the listing option on Marketplace, you're going to go over to Amazon or Walmart, and you're going to look through their best-selling products. So Amazon has a bestseller section and Walmart has a new and trending section. You'll be able to select some products from there, grab the pictures, the description, save the pictures and the description and the link into a spreadsheet or an Excel sheet, like a Google Doc sheet or Excel sheet, so that you can keep up with the link. But you can grab the pictures and the description and list those items on Marketplace. So right now we're in Q4 or Christmas time. So it would make sense to list things such as Christmas trees, Christmas ornaments, Christmas lights, inflatables that go in people's yards. Those type of things are doing very well right now. So once you go over to grab the pictures, I would recommend when you get the pictures from offline, save them into a folder on your computer. I personally utilize pictures that are in the reviews. That way it looks more legitimate and it looks like you actually have the product on hand. You can always mix the product pictures with the product pictures that have the white background, but I personally like to have more photos of the product like in somebody's hand or in the background of somebody's house. So after you grab the picture, the description, and the link, and you make sure you save everything and you put the listing up on Facebook, you're going to make sure you list the product in a zip code that has a lot of wealthy people or people that shop a lot. So one of the main things that I like to do, I list my products in zip codes for states such as California, New York, Texas, and Florida. Those are wealthy areas that have a lot of people that shop frequently. So once your listing is live, you're going to start getting a lot of questions. People are going to say, is this available? Is this available? They're going to constantly message you, is this available? And it's going to get overwhelming. It will get a little hectic. And sometimes it feels like you have to kiss a frog before you can finally get a sale, because they're constantly coming at you like saying, is this available? And you're looking at your message list like, okay, can somebody finally order? But once they finally order, congratulations, because you just made money online. You just made a sale out of something that you don't even have on hand. So once you get the sale, You're going to order that product off of Amazon or Walmart. The same way you would do if a friend of yours said, hey, I'm gonna give you 50 bucks. Can you order this product online for me? Can you order it on Amazon for me? You would take the funds that that person gave you, you order the product, you utilize your payment method, you put in your address and billing info for the payment method, the card, and then you're going to use their address for the delivery. So on Amazon, if you want to, you can include a gift receipt or a gift note and send them the product. We didn't do the pricing, so let's go back to the pricing. For price points, I would recommend not listing your products for more than 3 times what you found it for. So if you list it at 3 times what you found it for, that'll give you a good amount of space to be able to drop the price down slowly. Let's just say you took a $50 inflatable and then you listed it for $150 and nobody was really purchasing it the first day you listed it. You'd slowly bring that price down over the next few days until you get a sale. And it always looks really good when somebody sees your listing and it has that option where it says this item was $150, now $100. This item was $150, now $75. It just makes people want to shop right then and there. They're like, oh, I'm getting a steal. I'm getting this right here, right now. So that could be a good strategy for you to use, a little bit of sales psychology. List it high so that you can slowly bring the price down. But yeah, once you get your order, go ahead and ship them their product as fast as possible. Facebook Marketplace does have a space where you can input the tracking number. So you'll be able to input the tracking if the product is being shipped through USPS, UPS, or FedEx. And of course, be sure to communicate with your customer. Let them know, hey, thank you so much for your order. Your product is on the way. And once they finally get their item, you check in with them, make sure they got it, and you ask them for a customer review. Now, this customer review can be left on your Facebook Marketplace profile, and this will be a great way for you to have something to show the next go round of people that want to shop from you. That way they'll know that you are legitimate and you are going to actually ship them their product. So be sure to ask your customer for a review once they receive their product. And I'll be more than happy to share with you my list for my top zip codes that I list in, my product list that I'm using for this season. I'll have a monthly product list in the description for you. And I'll also include scripts that I use for communicating with customers when they message me. So be sure to check out the link in the description. You'll find a link to my product list, my zip code list, as well as info and details about my scripts. Thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is VANEZIA, and as always, when the waves of life throw sand at you, make a pearl.